They're off at pacing, off stride at the start, was up, and taking over the lead easy again. In the center we have Bolt the Door. On the far outside, Eric Cash Hanover, and Eric Cash Hanover circles the wagons just like the Buffalo Bills and takes over the lead. On the inside, we have Easy again. Bolt the Door is third. As they head to the opening quarter, Apprentice Hanover is fourth. Then we have What the Chic Aslan. And was up 26-3 for the opening quarter. And Eric Cash Hanover, the track record holder, shows the way. Kevin trying to ration out the speed a bit. Easy again. And Aaron Merriman sitting a good pocket journey. Bolt the Door got away in third. Apprentice Hanover and Anthony McDonald off the pylons in fourth. Aslan's going to flush his cover. Then we come back to What the Chic. Third over was up. They're at the half in 55-3. They got a shot at the record, and Eric Cash Hanover is your leader. Here comes Apprentice Hanover now rushing up on the outside. Inside third, we have Easy again. Bolt the Door is fourth. Aslan moving up on the outside fifth. They're coming from everywhere as they head to the three quarters. Apprentice Hanover takes over the lead. 124-1. It's Apprentice Hanover on top. Aslan in between horses. Was up on the far outside as they pace around the final turn. And Aslan and Ronnie Wren Jr. at 10-1 are flying in between horses. On the inside, Apprentice Hanover. Bolt the Door into the passing lane. Far outside was up. Here comes John Jr. Bolt the Door. 153-4.